Hello everyone, I hope you're all well and you're having a lovely day. I am Avtaars and a very warm welcome to you all. Today I fancy a burger. Let's make one, a very easy and a very quick, very healthy version. This is so easy to make and it is so much delicious than the shop bought ones. The main base for this burger is red kidney beans and the chickpeas. I'm going to use a tin of red kidney beans and I'm using a tin of the chickpeas. It's loaded with protein, full of flavors and very quick to make. So drained the beans of the water and I've got one bowl of those. And the drained chickpeas, I put them into the blender and I have just blended them very coarsely. Make sure that you don't overdo the blending. So use a mixing bowl and add the chickpea paste, and into this the binding agent that I'm using is rice flour. I've taken whole cup of rice flour, but initially I'm only going to add half the cup and fold that flour into the chickpeas. Throw the salt, black pepper powder and ground roasted cumin powder, ground coriander powder. Chickpeas are quite bland and they're very good at absorbing the flavors. On the other hand, beans, they've got their own distinguished flavor. So these spices will enhance the flavors and already because I've just freshly ground them, the flavors are being released. Add some lemon juice. I'm going to add to this is my dried mint leaves and I'll just crush them with my hands and they turn into a powder. So this together with the rest of the ingredients is actually going to give you that lovely underlying taste. And throw the beans into this. It's almost looking like crumbs, so I've saved my solution from the chickpeas or the aquafaba. Just add that into this as well. Now I have intentionally not blended the beans. It is still kind of a crumbly consistency. Add a bit more liquid into that one or the chickpea solution. Sometimes if you boil the red kidney beans at home, they go very mushy. In that instance, then you do not need to add any additional water into it. Mix it thoroughly, let it sit for a few minutes because the salt is actually going to help release the waters out of the other ingredients, and the rice is going to start absorbing the moisture. And the mixture is almost like a loose, doughy kind of consistency there. So I've ended up using all of my rice flour to bind it, and now it is ready. And I have divided into 6 or 7 equal portions that will give you out of this much ingredients. So turn it into a ball and then just press it to make that into a patty shape or a burger shape. Dip it into the breadcrumbs, some oil into the frying pan, and it goes into the medium heat. Tiny bit of oil, brush it and then gently flip it. In the instance where I have to batch prepare them, I'll turn these into the shapes, do the same thing, but instead of frying them, I will just put them into the oven to be baked, and then just before they're ready to be served, just sprinkle a bit of oil and then heat them up again. So the burgers are cooked thoroughly. There's a lovely layer of the crispy golden on all the sides and on both sides as well. So let's dress it up. I've taken a burger bun and I start off with some yogurt. Now, if you haven't got yogurt handy at home, feel free to use mayonnaise. So this is my healthier version. Or if you want to make it vegan, then avoid this step. And top it up with some fresh salsa. Now this will make all that difference. And there you go. All I've done is I've taken some fresh tomatoes, onions, some lemon juice into this, bit of salt and fresh coriander leaves, and I tend to add just a tiny bit of tomato sauce. It gives you that lovely flavor with a bit of sweetness that's coming out of the sauce. Tear up a bit of lettuce leaves. Burger on the top. Tomato. Some onion rings. Bit of salsa. And some jalapeno peppers. And you got the softness, it's all lovely, spongy, soft, and you have the crispness coming out of the onions and the burger itself. And all it needs now is just pick it all up and enjoy it. On that note, I hope you've enjoyed being with us today. It gets done within minutes. Super quick for your lunch. I would like to say God bless you all. Goodbye for now. Take care. See you. Bye-bye.